Food O'Clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and today we're going to be showing you the vegan Dominos Margherita pizza. So there's a look at it. I'm still getting used to this whole how to order food in 2020 business. I just rocked up down there and the place was all locked, and I phoned them up and they said, oh, you need to download the app and you need to order online. And I said, well, can't I just order on the phone? And no, you got to download the app. And so anyway, I was standing outside for 15 minutes waiting for my order, but never mind, we have the pizza now. I will get used to it eventually. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. No contact with people. Just press a button on the app, pay. It's nice and easy. Just for an old guy like me, takes a bit of time to get used to. Right, here is the pizza. Vegan Margherita, and it's come with some garlic and herb dip with it, which is vegan as well. Like I say to everybody at the start of every review, when I do a vegan product, I'm not a vegan. Well, I'm not a vegan, but I like the ethics of it. I like I struggle with, I love meat. I love meat, but at the same time, this might sound weird, I like the ethics. I like the, you know, the non-eating of animals, and I'm all for that. So, here we are. The reason why I picked this up is the cheese always interests me. It's so difficult to get cheese right, I think, personally, to get good vegan cheese is so difficult, because what I find is that it's a bit smelly, sock-like. So that's the reason why I bought it, to see if they can get over that kind of, if they can produce a really good vegan cheese on this pizza. So here we go. Tomato's nice, the base is nice. Yeah. Wow. Wow, that is really good. If this was handed to me and somebody said this is a cheese and tomato pizza, I wouldn't think any different. I'd go, okay. I wouldn't bat an eyelid. There's nothing in this product that makes me say, ooh, there's something not quite right there. It could be vegan. It tastes like a cheese and tomato pizza. Fabulous. And that garlic and herb dip, fabulous. Really good. That's really nice pizza. So normally you can pick a pizza up in Domino's on a daily deal. When I do a review of a Domino's pizza, I normally go down in the daytime and pick up the little £5 pizzas, where you go in and order the pizza and just grab it. But this deal, the vegan pizza was not on there. I nearly ordered the veggie dynamite pizza or something. It was like a vegetarian pizza with chilies all over it. I nearly ordered that because it sounded amazing, but I wanted to try the vegan pizza. So I rang them back up. The silly old man that I am, rung them back up outside Wind was blowing. Hello, I'm still outside. I can't find your vegan pizza on the app. Told them I went on the £5 deal thing, and they said, oh, what you need to do, go, it needs to be the next size up. So this pizza was £7.99. And to be honest, as pizzas go, yeah, it's quite nice. If you've made that ethical, conscious decision to go vegan. I tried the vegan diet in January. Is it Veganuary? I tried it just to try and lose some weight. I did about 2 weeks. And then I was completely stuck. But I plan on doing it again this January. So where are we now? Nearly into October. So we're nearly round again to the next Veganuary. And I'm going to try and make more of an effort this time. But with pizza like this available, it's getting easier and easier all of the time to stick it out, to become a vegan. I reckon I got a better chance this year of doing Veganuary. Or completing it. The crust is nice. The base is nice. This garlic and herb dip is the star of the show. And interestingly enough, this garlic and herb dip normally when I have a non-vegan garlic and herb dip, there's something very sickly in there, and I'm like, ooh, I can eat a bit of it, and then I'm like, oh no, I don't want any more of that. This, I'm walloping this down. I eat the whole lot. I probably will. I end up freezing them. I put the garlic and herb dips in the freezer because I find them a bit too sickly, but this is rather nice. Some herbs and spices on there. The cheese, they've done a great job with the cheese. That is normally, for me, as a non-vegan eating vegan food, the cheese is normally the one that always kind of makes me go, ugh. But they've done a great job. It's really, really, really tasty. I hope you like the video. I challenge you, as non-vegans, a lot of my followers are non-vegans. I challenge you to try this lunchtime Domino's vegan pizza and tell me if you like a cheese and tomato pizza. I know it's not the most kind of amazing pizza. It's a bog standard pizza, the cheese and tomato pizza. But for vegans, it's still out of touch, or it was out of touch for them. Now it's not. I think they worked really hard on this. I always wondered, because I buy a lot of the vegan products in January. Your Greggs sausage rolls and what did we have last year? Vegan Scotch eggs. And I often wondered why oh, KFC, McDonald's, they were all at it. But no, nothing from Dominos. And I was thinking, oh, that's a bit weird. But they've finally come out with something which is pretty tidy. It probably took them a long time to get right. To get that cheese right. So I've eaten half. Ah, we lost the tomato, look. I'll save half for my wife, who incidentally is a vegan. So I try and help her where I can. She tries to be a vegan. I'm ready to rate it. Let me finish this bit of pizza. But that was the star of the show, the garlic tip. Brilliant. Not sickly at all. Fabulous. Half a pizza eaten. Save the other half for the wife. I just wanted to try it. She'll probably pack it in a lunchbox for work tomorrow. That's a great thing with pizza. You can just microwave it the next day, can't you? I'm really impressed with that. I'm really impressed with that pizza. You would never know it was a cheese and tomato pizza, a vegan cheese and tomato pizza, if you put that as a blind taste test in front of just a regular meat-eating person. Then I'm sure they would say, "Oh, that's really nice. It's a cheese and tomato pizza." Well done to Domino's for getting that right. You would never know. Also in the range is a vegan veggie supreme. So if you want to try the vegan veggie supreme, if that is a little bit more up your street, I'd rather something a little bit more plain me. I'm normally a cheese and pepperoni type pizza eater. I don't like all the veg on the top. It makes it a bit too slimy for me. Do you know what I mean? That's why I went for the Margherita. But I like that to give it a 9 out of 10. So 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers.